friends, welcome to my channel.
Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Alan BE Unboxings and News. Here I have the Airpods Pro with MagSafe charging case. And now I'm going to open it. Here I'm going to open the box. I'm going to put the lid on the side. Let me see what is in the instructions. We have AirPods info, and here we have the instructions, how to connect it to your phone. Here are the AirPods Pro, but let me put it on the side. Let me take this out of the box. Here I have the earpieces of the AirPods. Here we have 2 large ones and 2 small ones. Let me put it on the side. Let me see what else is in the box. A Thunderbolt 4 USB-C to Lightning cable. Let me put it on the side. Let me take the AirPods. Let me take the AirPods out of the paper. Let me put that on the side. Here we have the AirPods. Here is the Lightning port. When you open it, it connects to your phone. And here are the medium-sized earpieces. Let me close it, and you can charge it with wireless charging or MagSafe wireless charging. Here I have the iPhone. I open the AirPods. Here appears the AirPods. I put connect, and here it says that it has a button on the side, and you can take the AirPods, and to see what you can do with the AirPods, you can go to Control Center. And let me take the AirPods out. Here is the button that I was selling, and let me take the other AirPods. Let me put the case on the side. Here is the AirPods. Has the medium earpiece, and when you put it on, you can put it with noise cancelling, or with you can hear everyone and talk. Bye. See you in the next YouTube video.